Going to need a moment to think about this. 2, 3.
Sweet. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to
The Tannerites.
And today we are doing the Super Hero Gymnastics Challenge! So how this challenge works is that... Do you need to go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Go! Anyway, how this challenge works is I am going to be off the trampoline and these little superheroes are going to be on the trampoline.
Let's do it! These are my poisonous! My body is a human shield.
Let's go get on the trampoline!
Yeah! Do it!
Okay guys, listen up.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you guys to do 4 different moves. And they might be a little hard, but that's okay because guess what?
What?
You guys have to do whatever I tell you or you're going to get the bubble! So you guys ready?
Yeah! Yes! Yeah!
Okay, we are going to be doing the process of elimination. So what that means is I'm going to tell you to do something, and the 3 who do it best get to stay on the tramp, but the one person who does it wrong gets to get kicked off.
I'm not gonna get kicked off for sure.
The one person to be on the tramp wins.
Yay! I'm gonna win! I'm actually gonna win!
The first thing you guys are going to have to do is super easy. It's just a simple somersault.
Okay. What's a somersault? Look at the sunset, guys. Oh, it's the Milky Way. No, it's the sunset. Yeah, it's a sunset. I will show you guys how a somersault is done. Move aside, guys, so I don't hurt you guys. Ready? Watch and learn. Simple, easy. That's how easy it is.
Okay, good job, Savannah. It's Lizzie's turn now.
Okay. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Woo-hoo! Good job, Lizzie.
Nice job, Lizzie. Az, you're up.
My turn.
You go.
Asbury.
You can do this, Az.
Good job. That is so good.
Diego, go ahead.
Yeah, good job, Diego. That was so good. Good job.
I'm going to need a moment to think about this. Ah, forget it. You guys all did way good. You all get to go to the next round. Next challenge.
Oh, I'm ready.
Jumping jack.
Oh, that's easy.
Let's go down the line. Lizzie, why don't you start this time?
Ooh, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, how much jumping jacks?
5. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, Lizzie. I can do more than 20.
Great job, Lizzie.
My turn. Az, you're up. I can do more than 20. I'm going to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job! Canyon, you're up!
Great job, Az. Canyon, you're up.
Canyon, your turn! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job! Yay! Now it's my turn!
But now it's Savannah's turn.
My turn! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
You guys all did a good job.
Yeah!
You guys are doing so good that I've decided that we're just going to move on to the next round without kicking anyone out.
I'm so happy!
And the next round is cartwheels.
Cartwheels! I'm so good at cartwheels!
Okay.
Okay, guys, move out so I can do it. Ready?
Go, Savannah!
Can I go? I did it!
Great job, Savannah! Let's do it mixed up this time. Az, it's your turn to go.
Az, your turn! Go, Az! Go, Az! Go, Az! Go, Az! Go, Az!
Nice job, Az! Now it's Gigo's turn!
Lindsay's getting ready.
Come on the trap, Gigo!
Gigo!
Good job!
Good job!
You can do it, Gigo!
Gigo!
You did? Oh, well, do it one more time, okay?
No! I already did it!
All right, I guess then it's Lizzie's turn!
Lizzie, your turn! Move out!
Lizzie!
Move, guys!
You can do it!
Lizzie!
Hurry, Lizzie, hurry!
Lizzie, hurry! Do it! Ready? You can do it! Woohoo! Good job! I did it! Good job!
Great job, guys! Let's move on to the next round! Okay, guys, listen up. The next round, you guys have probably done it many times before, but normally not on a trampoline. What you guys are going to be doing is a cannonball!
Cannonball! Wow! I love cannonballs!
All right.
Yes!
Now we're with Savannah. Everyone move to Savannah to do it.
A cannonball. Can I jump off of here?
Sure.
Okay. Go! Go!
You got it.
Go! Go! Go!
Now it's Az's turn.
Yes! You can do it! Yeah, you can do it!
You got this, Az.
Go, Az! Go, Az! Go, Az!
Ready?
Go, Az! Go, Az! Go, Az! Go, go! Az! You got this, Az! Go! Good job! My day!
All right, it's Gigo's turn.
Gigo, your turn!
You got this,
Gigo!
Gigo. Last but not least, Lizzie.
Yeah, Lizzie!
You got this, Lizzie.
What?
You got this, Lizzie.
Good job! Bye, guys!
You guys did so good those last 3 rounds that I decided to pick something a little harder. This round, you're going to be doing a backbend. Let's start with Az. Az, you can do
I
it.
tried it! Az, you can do
You
it!
got this, Az. You got this, Az.
Wow!
Good,
So
good
close!
job,
Good job! I'll try again!
Az. Okay, now it's Lizzie.
Good job!
Still going at it. Are you done? Nice job.
Go, Az! Okay, Az, I think it's Lizzie's turn. Good job!
Lizzie's turn.
It's my turn!
Okay, Lizzie.
My turn.
Go, Lizzie.
Go, Lizzie! Hey, go, Lizzie! You can do it! Oh, so close! High five! High five!
All right, Lizzie. Watch out so Savannah can have.
My turn!
we're gonna have a bubble dance party, but first, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and click the bell so you know when we post. Also, comment down below and let us know what your favorite superhero is and who you think won. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You are legends! And I eating cookies. Goodbye.